In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best 100+ mile/per-hour passes that I've had on my channel for RC cars.
Backflip, oh! Oh! Alright, y'all, this is going to be a compilation of just videos that I have on my channel for running RC cars. I've got a ton more. I've got over 4,000 videos on my channel, almost 5,000. So anyway, I'm going to quit my yap and let all this run. Hope you guys enjoy it. Y'all way down there, you're going to get this going. Yep. Ooh, tire busted. Ow, oh. He blew a tire. Speed kills, speed costs. Did you paint those wheels? Yep. Okay.
Oh my God.
It's kind of leaning.
I ain't never seen a car do that.
Oh, dang. He didn't blow a tire, y'all. Look at that. He didn't blow a tire. He disintegrated a whole wheel. So you got too much power, dog. Look at that, y'all. I ain't never seen that happen.
I ain't never seen that happen either. Whole wheel came off.
That's a first. He ate through the wheel. Look like some wagon wheels on the rear now.
Hey, y'all like that.
We're going to go on 3. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. Woo! Oh, he got it. All right, we're going to go on 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shoot. I already lost it. Oh! That's why I stopped. So I'm gonna pick these pieces up. Oh, that's not his. So, get aluminum stuff. Oh, let's see what else we got over here. That's not too bad. I mean, let's see. It's not too bad. No, it ain't too bad. Now, what he needs to do is get the aluminum like I got on my Limitless from RC Speed Monster on the rear of here and get one of their wheelie bars. He'll be good then. Oh. Ooh, a backflip. Oh. Oh, I don't know. We're going to stop at that. That was a straight backflip.
Go! Family, happy Sunday. These boys.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's see what they do this time.
Ready? Go!
Set. Go. Oh, he got that. Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about that.
Why you broke your neck?
He had that one. All right. Let me know y'all ready. Y'all ready? All right, they're going to go on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, they both spun out. Oh! Pink got it. Barely, he got it though.
Owing some change today.
Get it going. There's your winner.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I have over 4,000, almost 5,000 videos on my channel. So I'm going to try to dig through and find some more stuff like this. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you watching. See you in the next video.